Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to find products on AutoDS. So let's get in. What you want to do is log into your AutoDS account, and from here you'll see a menu on the left hand side. Now there are a few ways you can do this, but by far the easiest is using the add product button, and here you can either do a single product or you can do multiple products. You can also do hand picked products, and you can also use the AutoDS Finder, which is the top seller database, and it gets imported onto your store. So we're just going to go in for a single product, and here we want to choose our supplier, and we are using eBay. And then you want to also choose the region. Okay, so it says here select which region your supplier is from. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto eBay now, and we're going to look for electronics, and you can scroll and you can look for really whatever it is that you would like. Okay, so we have a PSP, and we're going to tap on this PSP over here on eBay, and what's going to happen is you will get a URL at the top of your page. Now this is the one that we need, so we're going to click on it, make sure it's highlighted, hold in Control on our keyboard and tap on C, and that'll copy that URL. Now here you want to use Control and V to paste that URL in there. Alternatively, if the product has a product ID, you can just use that product ID, but the easiest by far is just using that URL. And now we're going to go ahead, we can say edit now. And basically this will allow you to edit the actual product itself. Okay, so what you're going to be doing here is, if you're using the auto import, then all of the information that is here will be imported to the product information over here. So if you want to, you can just edit that information slightly so that you can sort of make that product a little bit unique. All right. You can now go ahead and you can have that product added to your store. And if you go down on your menu over here, you can go to products. You can see all of your products. And currently the product that we are just importing, it says it's in progress. If you want to view the details, you can see what its status is. But that is the best way to import products to AutoDS. If this was helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.